Hello everyone, it's Lucy from Dream Vacations, Chesna Travel Agency. Today's the day we start with 10 days of why choose a travel agent. Well, number one, I think a lot of them are important, but I think this one is the starting of the 10. Definitely choosing your options. It gets very overwhelming to choose what kind of vacation you want to do for yourself, if you want to go as a solo, or for your family, or you want to go as a group of friends, for a theme style, or for your the love of your craft, like a scrapbooker or a quilter, um, golfing, bowling, so many things out there. Even for groups for businesses, if there was incentives you want to do, it can be very overwhelming, and it can be very stressful. So us as travel agents, we take that from you. We basically make it seamless, stress-free. We really investigate, search, research, and make sure the things that you tell us that you really want in that vacation or retreat or even a meeting somewhere else. We can definitely help you with that. And without all the websites and you're looking at this and looking at that and trying to save this and then clicking on that and then you click something else and you're totally lost and you're overwhelmed. None like that. We do it all for you. We make it easy. We qualify you with different questions. We ask from A to Z anything that you feel this is what you would really love to have for your vacation. And we do it. We get it done. And if there's any other questions, we go in and we call you or email you and let you know what we're looking for a little bit more, just to make this the way you want it. And that's what we do. We do everything for you from that beginning right to the end. And then we sit down. You just don't look it online. We sit down. Or if you are far away from me, of course we'll do FaceTime or chat by Zoom or any other social media way of talking to each other. And then we make sure that everything is how you like it. And if it needs to be changed, we do it. We get it done. Because it's not my vacation. It's not my event. It's not for me. It's for you and for the ones that you are doing it for. And that's what the difference is. Because when you go online and you're just trying to check, you really don't know what really it is. You kind of look at the information and the descriptions, but that's it. So 9 out of 10, you hope that when you click that you have the right hotel, that the flight is what it says and it doesn't change without you notice, or that the hotel is saying king size bed and not doubles, which has happened to a lot of people that I know. And really, that's it. That's the big one. We're the ones that will really start helping you right in the beginning. There is no hidden little agendas for us or anything. We're there to help. This is what we really love to do. And this is what I love to do. So, number one is choosing your options. There are many options, and then one option is, as a travel agent, we're there for you. So, there you go. This is Lucy from Dream Vacations, Chesna Travel Agency. Meet me here tomorrow for day 2 on why you chose travel agents. Bye-bye.